is white bread. It is not very difficult to make a white bread at home, but we need some time for this. For this recipe we need 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 240 milliliters of slightly warm milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 45 grams of butter, 1 beaten egg and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. First we need to mix flour with salt and 15 grams of sugar. Then mix remaining sugar with yeast. After that, add some milk to this and keep around 5 minutes. Then mix yeast, remaining milk, egg, butter and flour well. Adding butter and egg is optional here. You can make this bread even without them. Now knead the dough well until it doesn't stick on the sides of the ball. Once the dough is ready, apply some oil in another bowl and transfer the dough into that bowl. Now cover the bowl and let it rise around 1 hour. Within this time period, our dough will be double sized. So select a large bowl for this. Then dust some flour on a wooden board and transfer the dough. Now make this dough flat, roll it and make the edges neat. After that, transfer the dough into a loaf pan and cover it with a wet cloth. We need to let this rise another 1 hour. Then bake this cake around 30 minutes under 190 degrees Celsius. This is our homemade white bread. I'll cut some slices and show you how it is. Hope you have enjoyed the video. More details are there in my dailylife.lk site. subscribe my channel and press the bell icon until we meet again with a new video.